I'm out here in the garden, as if you cannot tell. It might be time to dig up potatoes. I've done it once and they were so little, so I just covered them back up, but they would be right under here. So I'm gonna sit you down and see how you like that. I don't know how to angle. Wait. Maybe this is it. I don't know, we'll see. The sweet potatoes. I'm trying to set this up to where it could be seen. I could be seen. This up too high. I don't know how to set this up. Boom. Let's figure it out. myself that the reason that the rest of the garden didn't grow is because it was growing potatoes underneath. Such is life. You know how you can't really see the blessing on top, but then, you know, all the work leads to a success, not really ready to be seen on the surface. But then, you know, when things take manifestation and they become fruitful and they multiply, even if it is underground. All right, I'm taking you inside.